Well, it is time to get the XR moved over to the lift. I'm going to take it from my garage and roll it over to my shop. Looks like I need to add some air to this tire. So I will do that and then we will get to pushing. Got the tire taken care of, and so now let's push this bad boy. We got to do it old school style and roll the window down manually. Oh yeah. Spiders and everything in here. This is going to be fun though, going through all this. There are some goodies in here, but hopefully I'll get your help and maybe you guys can help me figure out what exactly the plan should be for this thing. All right, it's time to push it in 110-degree weather. All right, let's go. All these spiders. See if I can get some momentum. What do you think, Samantha? Can we do it?
Yeah.
All right, roll back a little bit. Don't go too far. And go. Oh, almost there. How much further?
About inch, foot.
Did I make it? I'm up there. All right, we're good. All right, let's get her in the air. We might be here for a few. Looks kind of slow. This is the engine bay from the ground. The 2.3 turbo is no longer in there. Still got the T9 transmission sitting there. That's gonna come out. This is all gonna come out. And we're gonna get it all cleaned up in here. Replace all the suspension, bushings and everything, shocks and struts, probably go to coilover setup. Yeah, but you look, you can just see this thing is super solid. Good car. I'm excited to get it going again. All right, we've got her up in the air. We'll take a little walk underneath. Oh, it's kind of blocked here. We got all these trays. We'll take a look here. Super solid. This has been a Texas car its entire life, so no rust. Just the surface stuff here, that's not rust. This thing is really solid. Kind of sad about the state it's in right now. I need to get after this, so it has become a priority. I want to finish this car. So yeah, you can see, I mean, it's nice and solid. No rust like all those other East Coast and Midwest Merkurs have. This is good stuff. So it's gonna be able to handle all the abuse we're gonna give it. Because I think we are doing an LS swap, unless someone talks me out of it. But yeah, here it is. What do you guys think?